I'm gonna turn myself into Katy Perry. If you look at her pictures for Play, her residency in New York, okay, Las Vegas. I wonder if she's in New York right now. Her makeup artist is doing eyelashes on the bottom with black eyeliner. So that is gonna be my inspiration. I think her makeup artist for Play and in general is Ariana's makeup artist. So it's cool to see what shapes are on Ariana's face and what shapes are on Katy Perry's face, because it's the same artist.
It ain't no accident, evident. I can see your love in a fingerprint. It ain't no mystery.
Okay, I recommend you try this eyeliner look because it's referencing Kiss the band. It's referencing eyeliner, females who've popularized eyeliner in their image. Amy Winehouse, Adele, Ariana Grande, they've all popularized certain eyeliners. So I wonder if this is Katy Perry trying to popularize an eyeliner look for herself. But I recommend you trying it because it's alternative, emo, and goth. And that is the opposite of natural, pretty, basic, and boring. So add some false lashes to the bottom of your eye with black paint. And thank me later. Peace out.